at least for me, when I get in those positions, like I can hit imposter syndrome really hard, and
Yeah.
like I can hit creative blocks. I get a lot of self doubt. So is that something you deal with too, or are you just
Oh yeah, absolutely. So I think for me, the thoughts that will hit me at at random times, but well, there's probably a few specific, or the frequency of them will show up at certain moments. But the thoughts are like, um, you you're not as gifted or talented as other people that are doing this stuff. Your mixes aren't as good as theirs. You don't have the experience. You don't have the credentials that they have for this kind of opportunity. And those are the things that like early on, I had to kind of find a way to twist them and use them for fuel a little bit. It's a fine line, like it's almost like a tightrope that I kind of walk. This may sound arrogant, I hope it doesn't, but like I have to like get angry enough at that thought that I have to prove myself wrong and like work harder in order to improve my mixes. Like I go back and listen to some of my early mixes when I started in sync, and I think, what was I thinking? Like this is so terrible. Like the mixes were so bad, and I'm so critical of them. But then I realize, you know, the the chasm between where that was and where my stuff is now proves to me that when I really put a focus on it and like get almost defiant about those self-doubt, those thoughts, that kind of can come at you, when I take like a defiant approach to that and say, I won't let that, determine who I am. I'm going to work hard. I'm going to stay with this. I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to find a way to improve. That has really helped me. Not to say that I have mastered it, because I absolutely still deal with, imposter syndrome on a consistent basis. I think it's kind of just, par for the course a little bit in the music industry in general. But yeah,